I come on the air and I educate you on insurance. Insurance have so many moving parts. I'm gonna tell you something. It has so many moving parts. I've been in this business for over 20 years and I'm still learning something new every single day. But I want to appreciate the customers that came in last week and the week before and patronize my business. And I'm gonna tell you something. I am so honored with the ladies that's coming in, that's doing their thing, because the ladies are stepping up to the plate and coming in and taking care of their families with their insurance needs. I'm gonna tell you something, ladies. Thank you. I applaud you. Over and over again, because you're the ones that's calling me and coming in and taking care of your family insurance. Now, fellas, we need to step it up just a little bit more because I have some purple folders for the ladies and I have some gray folders for the fellas. All right, now fellas, I need to fill up some of those gray folders because ladies, they come in now. You know what? They're coming in now and say, do I get a purple folder? Yes, you do. And they expect that purple folder. So give me a call, make an appointment, 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Make the connection, 702-236-2624. It's not that difficult. It's still the first of the year, okay? A lot of you called me and said, hey, I'm going to take care of this the first of the year. Now is the first of the year. Now it's time to do it. Again, I'm on Facebook Live. And again, at previous shows, I'm on Facebook. And you could tune in and check out my shows. And any questions or comments, make a comment or just, come in. I've talked to a lot of you. And you've told me, I've been listening to you for the last year and a half, 2 years. And I've been on the air for 2 years now. And I'm still thinking about giving you a call, but things come up. Things going to come up regardless all the time. That's life. That's life. Things come up all the time. But, be prepared. Prepare yourself, because this one of the most important things you could do for yourself and your family is get you some life insurance. I'm going to say that again. One of the most important things you can do is get yourself some life insurance. I visit these funeral homes. Okay. I hear the stories, and the stories are always the same. Families come into these funeral homes with no money and no means to pay. Or there's one family member that has the money, and everybody's looking to that one family member, for salvation or for help, rescue us, from this, because we don't have the money to take care of mom or dad or your grandparents. Now, if you want to be the national bank for your family, because you're going to get hit one way or another, and individuals out there who you are you the national bank for your family? I mean, every time a crisis come up, they're turning to you. But you can prepare yourself. If you're going to be the national bank for your family, make sure you get some life insurance for mom, dad, your children, and also your spouse and yourself. Because when everyone is looking at you and depending on you to pay for all this, because they don't want to do the car washes, and I'm going to tell you something about the car washes, you can never wash enough cars to pay for a service today. You have to wash over 750 cars. You have to buy the soap. You got to get some help. 750 cars. And if you have job insurance and that's all you're depending on is your job insurance, let's think about this with your job insurance. Now, HR or benefits department is going to want a death certificate. And okay, once you receive your death certificate, that takes about 3 to 4 weeks here in the state of Nevada to get a death certificate. Then they have to process the death certificate to file a claim. Okay. Now that could take another 3 to 4 weeks. So you're talking about almost 2 months with your loved one sitting on ice before anything happens, because you don't have any money. This person is working, and that's all you're depending on. Now, having a job benefit is great. It is a benefit. It can come and go at any time. However, get yourself some outside coverage that'll protect yourself, protect your family. Because I'm going to tell you something. With everything going on in the world today, why wouldn't you not have life insurance? I'm telling you, because, these companies are looking way to cut expenses any way they can. They could cut your benefits in half. When you retire, and I see a lot of this, by the way, when you retire, your benefits are either cut in half or they get increased, or you don't get a life insurance policy from your HR department when you retire. They say, you have a benefit, but you're not clear on the benefits that you may have. Okay? Don't let that happen to you. For more information, call me. My name is Donald Marquez. I'm an insurance financial advisor. Or you can call me an insurance agent, either way. Or some of you call me the insurance man. Are you the insurance man on 88? Yes, I am. Contact me. Make the connection, 702 236-2624, 702-236-2624 is my phone number. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. I'm in the U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I'm right across the street from the Palace Station. And, I'm right off the 15 in Sahara. And I'm right in the heart of town. Make the connection, 702-236-2624. We'll do a full review of evaluation of your current insurance, your auto, your home, your renters. Let's make sure you have your insurance in order. Let's you make sure you have your house in order, and to get the best possible insurance rates for your family. Now, if you may pay less. What I'll try to do is offset the cost of life insurance by reducing the cost of your auto insurance. All right. By reducing the cost of auto insurance, it makes your life insurance a lot more affordable. Now, if you can't afford to get that large life insurance policy right now, if you're just looking for final expense life insurance, I have an excellent product for you. If you're looking to get, I want something to get buried in. I don't need all that insurance. I own my home. I'm retired. I just want to get something right. Call me. I get that. I have a final expense life insurance policy, up to $35,000 worth of whole life insurance. Now, whole life insurance covers you your entire life, up to age 100. Now, if you don't borrow any money against the policy, all right, and you live to be 100 years old, we'll give you the face amount of the policy. Okay, so so you buy $35,000 worth of life insurance and you live to be 100, we'll give you $35,000. But that protection is there, from day one. You have $35,000 worth of life insurance, you can get up to $35,000. If you don't need that much coverage, if you want something to get you buried, the average services cost today to bury a loved one is about anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000. And the funeral homes want all the money all at once. They don't have any layaway plan. They don't have any payment plans, to my understanding now. And I visit a lot of funeral homes, and they always want to take me in the back and give me a tour. I just want your price list. I don't need a tour. But, this is what they do because they want me to understand the cost of these services, why it costs so much. And that's why I'm there, to educate myself, to help you to understand why you're paying so much for for these services. To protect yourself, get yourself some life insurance. Get yourself a whole life insurance policy. I have plans. Now, if you have diabetes, no problem. Whether you're taking insulin or the pill, no problem. I can get you some life insurance. If you have a weight concern, okay, if you have a weight concern, no problem. I can get you some life insurance. If you're 9 feet tall, I can make it happen. All right, I can get you some life insurance. With this company that I have, there's no restrictions on height or weight. Okay. No restrictions on height or weight. And diabetes is one of the biggest problems. A lot of people get turned down for life insurance with diabetes. And I know you get a little frustrated out there. You see all these advertising on television. We can get you some insurance, no questions asked. Do not buy a life insurance policy if there's no health questions asked. They just want to know your age and your date of birth and sign the dotted line. Either you're buying accidental insurance or you're purchasing a policy that's graded or modified. In other words, the protection won't be available for you and your family for 2 years or sometimes 3 years. But a lot of you qualify for insurance right now. You don't have to wait for that graded period. Now, a lot of times on television, they advertise, hey, there's no health questions. No one could be turned down. Nice, smooth conversation, I hear. However, you have a 2-year waiting period. Your insurance face amount will not go into effect for the first 2 years. Now, the way this works is this. You don't lose your money. All right, so if a loved one passes away for the first year, you get your money back plus 10%. Okay? And sometimes the second year, you get your money back to the beneficiary plus 10%. Now, the company that I have to offer, a lot of you will qualify for insurance today. It happened last week. A young lady called me. She heard me on the air. All right. She called me. She said, I have this policy. What do you have? And we sat down, and she had a really nice living room. And we talked about our furniture. She was so excited. She said, I have this policy. I have to wait for 2 years before my policy goes into effect. And the thing is, I get on the phone with my underwriter. I get the okay for insurance today for you. She qualified for insurance today. She said, well, I'm getting rid of this other policy because I have to wait 2 years. All right. And I thank her so much because she took the initiative. You know, she called me and she made it happen. And I can make it happen for you, but you have to pick up the phone. You know, I'm not going to call you. You have to call me at 702 236 2624. 702 236 2624. That's my contact phone number, 702 236 2624. Make the connection. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned in to Your Insurance Connection, and you will get connected. You'll get a lot of advice you never heard before from an insurance agent. I am an expert. I'm the professional with this. There's nothing you can throw at me I haven't heard before. Okay? There's nothing you can come to me with I haven't seen before. So I'm here to help you. I'm giving back to my community by educating you on your insurance so we can be better prepared. I am an insurance agent, but I like to look at myself as an insurance financial advisor. Call me at 702 236 2624. 702 236 2624. Again, my location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building. Make the connection. Call me, and we'll sit down and review all your insurance policies, home, auto, life insurance, to make sure we can take advantage of the coverages that you have currently, and make sure we could take some steps to ensure you that you're going to get the best insurance for the dollar. Things happen. When they happen so quickly. If you have a fire in your home or you lose a loved one in a car accident and you're lost, you don't know what to do. Because sometimes, you buy this insurance online, or sometimes you don't have an agent to talk to. One of the most important things you could do is talk to your insurance agent. Yeah, that's why your insurance agent is there to help you step by step. And if your insurance agent is not responding to you, contact me. I'll respond. Even if you don't buy insurance from me, I'll help you out. 702 236 2624. 702 236 2624. Make the connection. Give me a call. I am still recruiting insurance agents. Take an insurance class. If you're complaining about your current career, you're not happy, you don't like the people you work around, focus on yourself. You can change your life, change your career. What about insurance? Everybody has to have insurance. You have a car, you have to have insurance. You have a home, you have to have insurance. You have renter's insurance. I mean, everything is surrounded. No matter what you do in life, you have insurance. So I am looking for people that want to change their careers, try something different, even if you want to do it part-time. It's a rewarding career. You can command your own hours, smoke-free environment, and sky's the limit. You can make as much money as you want, depending on your hustle, okay? If you have the ambition and the drive, that depends on you. So again, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection right here at 88.1 every single Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. You can call me for more information at 702 236 2624. 702 236 2624. I need guys to call me because I have a lot of great folders that need to be filled up. And the ladies, keep filling up this purple folder, because I'm going to show the fellas when they come in, look at the purple folders and look at the gray folders. Again, until next week, you guys just keep it crispy, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.